Hey guys, it is early and I'm not here today. I am at home. My son's nanny got sick. So this warm up that's on Schoology is also on your class notes that you have. And so if you just fill all this out on your class notes, you won't have to log on to Schoology. Um, and so it says, think about your favorite movie or TV show. Oh, also, hey, put up your phones. Anybody who's on your phone right now, put your earbuds away. Do these notes. This is a grade, okay? So your notes are a daily grade. The assignment at the end is going to be an exam grade for you to do, okay? So you're thinking about a favorite movie or TV show, and you're going to tell us about a location, living room, kitchen, police station. Uh, what is location, or how's the look of the location add or detract from the show? So write down your answer, and you can press pause on me for a minute if you want, or hopefully you've already written it down. So, in the room, if you want to press pause, you guys can share right now what your answers are. Um, when you think about iconic TV shows, typically, especially sitcoms, there is a set, right? On Friends, it's the central perk with the couch, right? Or the establishing shot that they do of the outside of the building. This sort of tells you where you are and takes you into their world. Oh, my extension may be dangerous. Sorry about that. In How I Met Your Mother, again, it could be the lab or it could be a shot of the couch in the living room. So there are many establishing shots, things that they do. And hopefully it brings you into the show. Well, there's a person that designs that, okay? And in theater, we have the same thing with set design. And this is the scenic designer. This is visual storytelling. And so we're going to be talking about this for the next couple weeks. We're going to talk about scenic design, what they do, what their role is, how you design for production, the quality of design that make a scenic designer. We're going to have some of these discussions when I get back. So I want to go over the highlights real quick today. I want you to read that quote, and I'll read it to you, and then I want you just to interact with it on your notes, okay? So the notes say to have the students identify what they believe this quote means to them and its significance in design. So here's the quote. The designer does not begin with some preconceived idea. Rather, the idea is the result of careful study and observation, and the design a product of that idea. I'll read it again. The designer does not begin with some preconceived idea. Rather, the idea is the result of careful study and observation, and the design a product of that idea. So write what you think that quote means and means in terms of being a designer. And press pause here so you can write. So the next 3 slides, I just want you to write what you see in these set designs, okay? There's the first one. Look at the color, shape, use of lines, the scale. Scale is how big or how small some things look and how they give more room or angles to certain things. Here's the second one. All of these are also available on Schoology. I've uploaded this PowerPoint, so you could click through and look and probably see it better. And here's the last one. So you could pause on each of those slides if you didn't. Just write down observations about what you see, okay? Now, the rest of this that's in the lecture is hard for me to do. If you go on to Schoology and just pull up the lecture, you could play these videos. It's going to tell you more about this set in particular and about what is in it, okay? Here's what I want you to work on today. I want you to work on creating a ground plan to scale. A ground plan to scale is a bird's eye view of a room or a set and where you would put things and what they look like. Okay, we're going to do it in quarter inch because one, we have quarter inch graph paper, not this. Here it is. And so quarter inch graph paper means that 1 square is 1 foot. So you're going to take measurements of this classroom, of every inanimate thing in this classroom, and you're going to create a ground plan. Okay, it's on the back of your notes. And you're going to include the symbol sheet that you have here in class. And on the back of your notes here, it just tells you things to take measurements of, okay? And so you'll take measurements, and then you're going to draw it out on a piece of graph paper of what this room looks like from a bird's eye view, okay? Now it says a blank sheet of paper or using the grid paper, which is what we have. Use a ruler. You don't need a ruler because the grid paper has the squares. You're going to start with the 4 walls of the room. I'll give you a hint. This room is 25 wide by 30 deep. And then you're going to add in the doors and where are they in the room, and you're going to measure. And so in three groups, you're going to get a tape measure, and you are going to measure everything, and then you're going to design it on the grid paper. Okay, so get that done today. Have a good day. You're not going to be able to do that Olympic video question because I'm not here to show you that video. But if you pull up this slide on the thing, you can click through and watch the videos too, I guess. So, all right, have a good day.